Is there a keyboard shortcut for updating all fields, tocs and indexes in MS Word 2011 macOS X? I know it's possible to have MS Word 2011 update all fields before printing a document, but I would like to be able to update the fields whenever I feel the need to. Is there a keyboard shortcut for this for MS Word 2011 on macOS X?
You can update all fields in a document by selecting all of the content, CMD plus A, and then pressing F9. This will update all fields at once on Word for Mac 2011 to 2016.
I know this answer seems to be implied in the question, but I think it's the best answer and should be listed. The fact that other answers even are given implies that it is being overlooked. Command plus P, followed by escape. Advantages. This is faster than the select all method, same number of commands, fewer keys. Fields and headers and footers are also updated, not accomplished by select all method. So in conclusion, no, there's no specific single shortcut to update all fields, and the alternatives are not superior to Command plus P, escape.
Using F9 didn't work for me, running MS Word 2011 on a MacBook Pro with 10.8.4. An alternative solution I found is to select all the text using Command A and then press Command-Shift-Option-U. You can find that keyboard shortcut by control-clicking on the field and looking for Update field in the menu.
In Mac Word 2011, OS X Yosemite, the CMDP, escape did not update the cross-references in the footnotes. To do both main body and footnote, I first placed my cursor in main body, select all, CMD-A, update fields, Alt plus CMD plus Shift plus U, click OK when notified this can't be undone. Then, I placed my cursor in any footnote area, repeated the select all and update fields process. Now my cross-references are updated in both the main body and the footnotes.
If you want a possible reaction, please consider subscribing.